Step back in time with this stunning 1939 Dodge four-door sedan, now available for $12,000 in Puyallup, Washington. This beauty not only boasts classic suicide doors, but also features a modern upgrade with a 2002 Toyota Tacoma 2RZ motor paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth ride with just 88,000 miles on the engine. The vehicle has a clean title and is in perfect running condition thanks to a recently installed brake system. With 150,000 miles on the chassis, this sedan represents the perfect blend of vintage charm and contemporary performance. Imagine the conversations you could spark as you cruise around town, turning heads wherever you go. However, don't wait too long, as the seller is motivated to sell due to legal fees. This is an excellent deal for any car enthusiast or collector looking for a unique, one-of-a-kind ride that's ready for show or daily use. Be sure to see the link in the description for more information and photos. This Dodge is certainly worth the investment for anyone with an appreciation for classic automobiles. Up for auction is a beautiful 1939 Ford Deluxe sedan, listed at $18,000. This classic truck boasts a robust 8-cylinder flathead engine, manual transmission, and RWD drivetrain, making it a true vintage driving experience. The vehicle is in excellent condition, with only 12,345 miles on the odometer, and it holds a clean title. The seller describes it as a good, clean condition car that runs and drives well, featuring a flathead engine and a 3-speed floor shift. This stylish sedan is perfect for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a restored or original piece of automotive history. Its classic appeal, historical significance, and quality make it an ideal candidate for restoration or showcasing at car shows. Check out the links in the description for more detailed photos and details about this rare find. Check out this classic 1939 Ford Tudor for $12,500, located in Huntington Beach, California. This car is in good condition with an 8-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. It has 99,252 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The body is black with a clean title status. It features a rebuilt flathead V8 engine, front power assist disc brakes, dual exhaust, and high-flow water pumps. Recently rewired with a 12-volt system, including a new starter motor and alternator. The flat black paint, pinstripes, and tinted windows make this car a standout at cruise nights and car shows. The current owner has had it for 10 years and is sadly selling due to illness, making this a great opportunity for someone looking for a reliable vintage car to enjoy or restore. Don't miss out. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Today, we have an exciting classic car for you, a stunning 1946 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, priced at $13,700, located in Hazel Park, Michigan. This beauty is in excellent condition and features a powerful 327 CI Corvette engine that delivers over 500 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth driving. With only 4,100 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive classic is a rare find. The car boasts a striking blue paint color and comes with a clean title status, ensuring peace of mind for the new owner. The seller has documented the entire build process with a complete diary and receipts, making it a great option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a vintage car with a rich history. Don't miss out on this fast and stylish ride. Check out the links in the description for more information and photos. Introducing the beautiful 1947 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $15,900 in San Diego, California. This classic car boasts an excellent condition with only 44,000 miles on the odometer. It features a reliable straight six-cylinder engine paired with a unique fluid drive transmission, which offers a semi-automatic driving experience. The car's interior has been fully restored to the tune of over $5,000 with high-quality factory mohair material. New brakes, lines, and a fresh exhaust enhance its performance. With all gauges functional, including the radio and a clean title status, it's ready for cruising. The vintage appeal and historical significance make it a perfect piece for collectors or anyone looking to embrace the classic car lifestyle. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more information, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Introducing the 1947 Crosley Station Wagon, a rare gem in excellent condition, now available for $12,900 in Amherst, Massachusetts. This vintage wagon, powered by a rebuilt SOHC four-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, is perfect for local roads and has undergone a complete frame-off restoration with many new parts from Service Motors. With only 10 miles on the odometer and a clear Massachusetts title, it's a collector's dream. The wagon comes with extra parts, including 2 complete engines and transmissions, making it an enticing option for enthusiasts looking to restore or promote their business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a unique piece of automotive history. Check out the links in the description for more information. Step back in time with this striking 1947 Ford Deluxe Business Coupe, offered at $19,500 in Rindge, New Hampshire. With just 71,361 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive classic boasts a flathead V8 engine enhanced by high compression heads and a 4-barrel carburetor. It's been thoughtfully upgraded to a 12-volt electrical system and fitted with front disc brakes for modern drivability. The 3-on-the-tree manual transmission shifts smoothly, and the body and frame are in very good condition, dressed in a timeless black finish. Riding on fresh black diamond classic wide white-wall radials, this coupe is more than a looker. It's a well-maintained driver with a clean title and a few minor blemishes that only add character. For collectors or vintage enthusiasts, this is a solid investment with charm and mechanical integrity. See the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1947 Ford Sedan Delivery is a classic vintage vehicle presented in good condition, with an odometer reading of approximately 99,999 miles. Powered by a 327 Chevy small block V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a fun and nostalgic driving experience. The vehicle features a striking orange paint color and RWD drive system, making it an eye-catching cruiser. Its clean title status adds to its appeal as a collector's item or a customizable project car. While it needs some attention, it runs and drives reliably, making it suitable for restoration enthusiasts or those looking for a unique vintage daily driver, beach cruiser, or business vehicle. This car provides an excellent platform for customization, offering tons of potential for a classic rebuild or preservation. The seller mentions it just in time for summer fun. Don't miss the chance to own this rare piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more photos and detailed information. This 1947 Mercury Coupe is a beautiful vintage vehicle offering a glimpse into the golden age of American automobiles. Priced at $12,500, this classic features a 3-speed manual transmission, a gas-powered V8 engine, and a clean title. The car has approximately 100 miles on the odometer, with good paint, tires, and zero rust, indicating excellent condition. Notable features include disc front brakes, all-new brake lines, an electric bucket front driver's seat, an electric fuel pump, and an AM/FM radio, making it appealing for restoration enthusiasts or vintage drivers alike. Its well-maintained state and classic styling make it a standout piece, perfect for collectors or those seeking a piece of history to restore or enjoy as a vintage car. Contact the seller for more details and photos by checking the link in the description. Check out this classic 1947 Mercury Tudor available for just $12,000 in South San Francisco, California. This vintage beauty is in good condition, with a rebuilt motor and a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a nostalgic ride on the road. The body is straight, with excellent chrome details, and the interior is in great shape with a nice dash. The odometer reads 95,700 miles, and the title is clean. Whether you're a collector or looking for a restoration project, this Mercury is perfect for both. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and pictures, be sure to check out the link in the description.